Hello everyone, welcome back to WpGeobuddy. I am Naveen, and in this video we're going to see how you can create a directory website using GeoDirectory plugin and Divi5 theme. So let's get started. So in this first video we're going to see how you can install the GeoDirectory plugin and the Divi5 theme in your WordPress website. So to install the theme, we will go in the appearance and click on theme, and then click on add theme button, and we'll click on upload theme, and we will upload the zip file that you have downloaded from your Divi dashboard. Then you have to click on install now, and then we'll click on activate theme. So as you can see, now the Divi theme is installed, and if you have license you can activate the license by clicking on login and activate license. And you got a Divi tab here from where you can manage all the Divi related settings. Now the next step is to install the GeoDirectory plugin. For that we'll go here in the plugin, add new plugin, and then search for the plugin name GeoDirectory. So here is the plugin. We'll click on install now, and once the plugin is installed we click on activate. So after activating the plugin you will get a setup wizard where on the first step you have to choose the map type. OSM map is free and Google Map is paid. For Google Map you need API key, so I'm gonna go with OSM map, and we'll click on continue. And in the next step we have to define the default location, so I'm keeping it default. I will click on continue. So here on this step GeoDirectory recommends some of the plugins which are needed for building a directory website using GeoDirectory. So I'm gonna keep all of them, and I will click on install. So once this plugin installed we click on continue, and on this step we have to import the dummy data. So if you click on import full demo, like if you want to import the entire site, you can connect your membership, your GeoDirectory membership, and then you can import GeoDirectory demo. But I'm gonna import the dummy data here, so I will keep the post type to be default, and then listing count I will keep it, I need 20 dummy listings in the website, and then we'll click on insert post. And for the sidebars and menu we can also import the sidebars and menu. For now I'm just importing the menus. So as you can see that listing has been imported and the menu has been created. We'll click on continue, and there we go, our directories setup wizard is successfully completed. So we'll just go back to our dashboard. So this is the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and once you activate GeoDirectory you get a GeoDirectory tab from where you can manage GeoDirectory settings, and you also get a places tab from where you can manage your listings. So that's it for today. In today's video we have seen how to install the Divi5 theme and GeoDirectory plugin, and in the upcoming video of this series we will see how you can create the header and footer of the website, a responsive header and footer of the website using Divi5 theme and the GeoDirectory plugin. So stay tuned.